Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. For n-type semiconductor, the electron mobility is given as 50 into 10 power minus 4 meter square per volt second, and conductivity is given as 10 Siemens per meter. Electron conductivity mobility is apparent with symbol mu n, and conductivity is apparent with symbol sigma. Then how can you find electron concentration, that is n value? We know that the electron mobility mu n, that is equal to sigma by n cube. So bring here n value to left hand side and mu n to right hand side. Then becomes n equal to sigma by mu n into cube. Sigma is given as 10 Siemens, that is 10 by mu n is given as 50 into 10 power minus 4 into, and Q is charge, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. By using calculator, by simplifying this, we will get n equal to 12.5 into 10 power 21 per meter cube, that is meter inverse cube. So this much electron concentration is there per meter cube. Okay, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.